Hello everyone.
GSTR-2 is a monthly or quarterly detail related to purchases done during the period. These details are not required to be filled with GSTN but are required for ITC computation. This video will show the GSTR-2 summary as well as the entry of details. Firstly, we will see how to enter the purchase details in Saral Pro. On click of GSTR2, go to the Entry tab where different categories like B2B, registered person, import of goods, ISG, ITC, reversal, etc. will be listed. These sections will be listed as per the selection done in the option setting. Select the month or quarter and the required category of the entry, example B2B, import, etc. Also, you can select the required summary type for the display of the details. Now, enter the inward transaction details by clicking on the Add option. Enter the invoice number and select the invoice date from the calendar. To select the party name, type the first 2 to 3 letters of the party name and select the name from the list. Note that the party details should have been entered in the party master. The other details of the party like GSTN and place of supply are displayed automatically. Supply type, intrastate will be auto-selected based on the GSTN of the party. Next, add the purchased item details such as item HSN, taxable amount and rate of tax. To add additional line items, click on the plus option and add next item details. Click Save to save the details. To enter the GSTR2 details for other sections, select the required category from the drop down and enter the details as applicable. If you want to search for a particular invoice that is already saved, click the filter icon on the entry screen. A pop-up window appears. Select the required search options for the invoice from the above drop-down list. On the Apply filter, only the filtered invoices will be listed. The entered details can be downloaded in a CSV format by selecting the required invoices and clicking on CSV. If you want to delete the invoices, select the invoices and click the delete icon. To view the summary of all the details entered, go to the Summary tab and select the financial year and month. You can view the summary of all the categories as entered in the Entry tab. Here, if the entire category details have to be deleted, then click on the delete icon. Thank you for watching this video and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.